Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1962 Ford Falcon that we just got in. We took this car on trade last week from a very good customer. Traded it in on a Chevelle, so just a little bit different. Going from a Ford to a Chevy. Kind of like me, I like them all. So this cute little car, it has a 302 engine underneath the hood. It has a automatic transmission. Has a mild built small block 302 engine under the hood. At least the air cleaner says 302. I did not build the engine in this car, so I don't know how many cubic inches it is. Oh, there we go. It has Edelbrock aluminum heads, chrome valve covers and intake, or air cleaner, as you can see. Aluminum Edelbrock intake and an Edelbrock carburetor. Aluminum radiator. Nice, clean, little solid car. The paint is not perfect. You can see some orange peel in the paint. You can see that. It looks great from right here. And then you get up and then you can start seeing the orange peel. I'm sure a lot of that would sand and buff if you really wanted to make it any better than it is. But it's a cute little car. Nice little Ford steelies with the caps and the rings. The customer stated that he put new bumpers on it, front and rear, and new wheels, tires, trim rings, and caps. Well, the door handle chrome is very nice. The mirrors look nice. The stainless trim around the windshield looks nice. One little wiper mark right here in the windshield. You see that? Nice little solid car though, not all bubbled up or blistered up on the bottom side. Trying to get that key to turn. I just had the trunk open a second ago. There you go. Jack, the tire iron, spare tire, nice trunk mat. It's like all original paint in the jams. Probably the car was a little bit probably brighter white maybe from the factory. It's kind of an off-white right now. I would call it off-white. The pictures, it looks like it's got a yellow tint to it, but just very nice and cleanly inside. Got a nice little low car shifter, couple gauges down below, a little tack. Nice little aftermarket radio. Back seat's in great shape. Headliner's nice. Visors. Door panels. You know, you got a little bit of, you can see it's got a little bit of rippling in here. It's nothing, it's just a little loose material. Got a neat door panel. I'm not trying to pick the car apart. I mean, it's a cheaper car. I think we're gonna price this car in the low 20s, 23.9, probably 24.9, somewhere in that vicinity. Super cute little car for the money. Seats are really comfortable. Dash lights, radio. open the door, we'll get out and take her out on the highway and open her up a little bit, see what she's got. You know, it is a Ford, so it probably won't even squeal the tires. Kidding, everyone. But coming from a Chevy person, you know. We gotta give each other a hard time, don't we? She has 95,039 clicks on her. Gas gauge works. Speedometer seems to work. We'll know here in a second. Good run, a little car. Drives real nice. Look at that, straight down the road. Huh, nice little car. Gets right with the program. Good car. The brakes work very good. I mean, they stop you really nice. Pretty cute little car. 62 Ford Falcon. I'll get out and do a little walk around with you here. Yeah. Oh. Nice day out, a little overcast, but pretty nice for the most part. What a cute little car. I say 2400. All right, let's head back to town. I wanted to see if, just make sure it started back up. Shut her off. After the drive, she started right back up. The older gentleman that traded this said it was a good car. He said he thought he had most every bug worked out of it. He said he put enough miles on it that he felt pretty comfortable with it. So that's always nice to hear. Lots of traffic today. So much construction going on right now. There's road construction on about every road you drive down. It's a really good little car. Runs very solid. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you're interested in this beautiful little 62 Falcon. or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock, give us a call. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great afternoon. Talk to you later.